श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः एंड अ वेरी गुड इवनिंग। गुरु ग्रंथ का सार है, गुरु है प्रभु का नाम, गुरु अध्यात्म की ज्योति है, गुरु है चारों धाम। I offer my humble salutations to our great guru, our beloved YGP mom. I'm Yash Joshi from class 12 PSBB Siruseri. It is my proud privilege to welcome you all to day 13 of PSBB Vidya Shakti, a YouTube channel created by PSBB Group of Schools as a glowing tribute to Dr. Mrs. YGP. Ma'am, your vision, infinite wisdom, and relentless pursuit of excellence has today placed us on an exalted pedestal built upon the core values of integrity, character, and knowledge. Empowered with the golden values you so deeply cherished, we stand today at the threshold of embarking upon the journey of life, having imbibed self-discipline, positivity, leadership through personal example, and above all, respect for our gurus. Today, as we strive to push the excellence bar even higher, redefining the thresholds of excellence, we humbly fold our hands in prayer, ever conscious of your presence, that you are there to lift us, guide us, and inspire us always in our journey of life.
Vidya Shakti, Medha Shakti, Kalashaya Shakti.
Men may come and men may go, but PSBB will go on forever.
Tuesdays are considered auspicious for Lord Muruga. We begin the evening program with an invocation to Subramanya. This 15th century hymn transcends time and is still being recited because it is soaked in bhakti. Let's listen to this devotional pearl of religious philosophy. బ్రహ్మం ఒక్కటే. one of the most popular compositions of Saint Annamaya. This devotional song was yet another most favorite of a founder, Srimati Rajalakshmi Parthasarathi. This song, with a touch of folk flavor, conveys the essence that the Lord of the Seven Hills is the protector and savior. The divine melody and the rhythmic splendor of the dancers will rewind our memories. We can almost visualize Dr. Mrs. YGP in the first row watching the dance and nodding in ecstasy.
ತಂದನಾನಾಹಿ ತಂದನಾನ ಪುರೇ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ತಂದನಾನಾಹಿ ತಂದನಾನ ಪುರೇ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಓ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ತಂದನಾನಾಹಿ ತಂದನಾನ ಪುರೇ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಓ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ತಂದನಾನಾಹಿ ತಂದನಾನ ಪುರೇ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಓ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ నందువగు హీనాధికము నిందు లేవు అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ ఇందులో జంతు కులమింతానొకటే అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ హరే అంతరాత్మ శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ ತಂದನಾನಾಹಿ ತಂದನಾನ ಪುರೇ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಓ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಓ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ತಂದನಾನಾಹಿ ತಂದನಾನ ಪುರೇ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಓ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಓ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ತಂದನಾನಾಹಿ ತಂದನಾನ ಪುರೇ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನ.
Every evening in PSVB, the day's learning comes to a close with a prayer which offers salutations to the Panchabhutas. YGP Ma'am has made us realize the cosmic goodness of the Panchabhutas through the prayer Om Shano Mitra Shamvaruna. Theatre plays an important role during the developmental stage of a child and gives wings to the imagination. Puppet shows depict and convey lofty messages in a subtle and intricate form, leaving a deep and everlasting impression in a child's memory. YGP Ma'am's singular aim was to make learning a joyful experience. To reach out to the young minds, YGP Ma'am emphasized upon the extensive use of puppet shows, drama, and other art-integrated techniques. Ma'am, you are an incarnation of innovation. We revere you and love you always. Presenting before you a puppet show by the students of classes 3, 4, and 5.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Puppet shows capture our imagination and enthrall us all. So, presenting before you a story, Panchatantra, showcasing the significance of the Panchabhutas, highlighting our traditional values and emphasizing upon preserving Mother Nature to ensure we remain strong and healthy.
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। आज हम बच्चे एक पपेट शो प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। कहानी का शीर्षक पंचतंत्रा है। यह कहानी हास्यपुरी नामक एक जगह की है, जहां पर कोई हंसता ही नहीं था, क्योंकि वहां के लोग एक वायरस से प्रभावित थे। एक दिन एक आदमी सड़कों पर मास्क बेचने गया। मास्क बेचते बेचते वह थक गया और कहने लगा,
मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ, इस पेड़ के नीचे विश्राम कर लेता हूँ।
पर थके होने के कारण उसे नींद आने लगी और वह सो गया। उसी पेड़ पर बंदरों का एक समूह रहता था। मांस की टोकरी देखकर वे पेड़ से नीचे उतर आए।
वाह, इतनी सारी मास्क!
फिर बंदरों ने मास्क निकाले और पहन लिए। मास्क पहनकर वे उछल कूद मचाने लगे, जिससे आदमी की नींद खुल गई। मगर बंदर तो ठहरे बंदर ही। वे सारे फटाफट जंगल में भाग गए। जंगल में मास्क लगाए बंदरों को देखकर शेर ने सोचा कि
कहीं ये हम पर हमला तो नहीं करने आए हैं।
तभी चतुर खरगोश ने बंदरों से कहा,
तुम सब अपना मास्क हटाओ।
पर फिर बंदरों ने सबको हास्यपुरी और घातक वायरस की स्थिति बताई।
हमें मानव जाति के लिए खेद महसूस हुआ।
और बुद्धिमान उल्लू ने कहा,
मनुष्य प्रकृति से भटक गया है, इसलिए वह एक कीमत चुका रहा है।
कोयल पंचभूत को उजागर करने वाला प्रार्थना गाती है।
शन्नो मित्रः शं वरुणः शन्नो भवत्वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि तमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि अतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः।
और हमारी प्यारी YGP मैम भी तो हमें पंचभूतों का महत्व समझाना चाहती थी, इसलिए उन्होंने इसे हमारी शाम की प्रार्थना में हर रोज शामिल किया। इस कहानी से हमें शिक्षा मिलती है कि स्वस्थ भविष्य के लिए प्रकृति के साथ रहें।
Wow, what a scintillating performance! I take this opportunity to express a profound gratitude to YGP Mom for her foresight in making us understand the universal importance of the 5 elements through a short prayer. Today's little school moments become tomorrow's precious memories. We have V. Chandrasekhar, Arjuna Awardee, former international table tennis player, batch of 1967, Nungambakam. M. Venkateshan, corporate lawyer, batch of 1981, Nungambakam. And Sundar Rajan Kidambi, grandmaster in chess and chess professional, batch of 2001, KK Nagar, to share their precious moments in PSPB.
I am Chandrasekhar, affectionately known as Chandra in sporting and other circles, former student of Mrs. YGP and Padma Seshadri. I began my career in the school, Lake Area School, opposite Vellore Kotam. The school was built in the memory of my grandmother and grandfather, who gave the initial donation, and later on it became a great success due to Mrs. YGP's good officers' efforts and her incredible inspiration to the others and encouragement to all people. I did very well in my early days. I was forced to go to other school due to government compulsions. And I am proud to say my connections with her are there even today. I am closely connected with their family even today. Her children are all very close friends of mine. She helped me a lot when I was ill, gave me a lot of good counsel, gave me practical advice, practical help, spoke to many people, and in fact I think she only helped me find out the doctor who treated me in Canada. She booked a call across and got through and told me that he is a very good doctor and you can go ahead. This happened in her house way back. Apart from that, I always enjoyed my moments with her. When many plays for YGM, when she was there, I was there. Many times I come to the school once as a chief guest for the sports day, and otherwise I've gone many times. I've thoroughly enjoyed every minute. Her knowledge is outstanding. If you call her an encyclopedia, it is no understatement. She is well versed in all subjects, including English literature, films, music, dance and drama. That is why people still flock to the school to seek admission. Even now it's very difficult to get admission there. People do still come and seek admission there. Incidentally, I was very thrilled when I had gone to the school here in recent times. Such a lovely atmosphere and such a wonderful institution had been built up by the illustrious efforts of Mrs. YGP. And today it is going from strength to strength. 90-95% of the credit should go entirely to her. And I am very grateful to her for she was a wonderful teacher, a great inspiration, a motivation, an encouragement to me, very close to my family at all times. She attended my wedding also along with her family. And I wish the institution and the children and family all the very best in the near future. On my part, I am always willing to do whatever I can for the school and for retaining her erstwhile memory, which can never be fully satisfied by anybody, but we are all trying our best. I am extremely thrilled to be a part of this lovely program.
Two thoughts come flooding to my mind. Miss YGP must have been 88, 89 years old. I had invited her to a Rotary meeting. She attended the meeting, went back and called me and said, "Venkatesh, you spoke very well. There was one quotation that you used which really appealed to me. That quotation was, in life it is not important who rode ahead. What is important is the road ahead." Now, coming from a person from whom I learnt my English, that was a big deal for me. But more importantly, Mrs. YGP listened intently when you spoke, whether in a private conversation, and she carried the same thing in a public meeting as well. Her listening skills were remarkable. The second incident I remember was when my wife opened a yoga studio. We only thought of Ms. YGP to inaugurate the studio. I went to call her. She was almost 90 then. And when I called her, she said, "Look, let me check my diary. I'll see if I am free on that day." She called for her diary and she told me, "I am free between 5:30 and 6:30. At 6:45, I need to be in Mani Mahal for a YG Mahendran play." Now, when people give up on their life when they are 75, for a person of 90 years to check up a diary and give me an appointment, I mean, Ms. YGP will forever, I'll forever be in awe of Mrs. YGP.
Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. A very good afternoon to all the teachers and students who are watching this. I'm really proud to be an alumni of PSPB. I have a lot of good things to take over as a former student of Padma Seshadri. Mrs. YGP ma'am especially has been an inspiration to many of the teachers there and the students when I was studying and so on, and I'm sure that it would have continued even later. Personally for me, I have been a chess player since I was in the 4th standard, and the school was always encouraging me and not only me in doing co-curricular activities, fine arts and other things apart from only academics. Of course, we also had a very good academic strength, like most of us were doing very well in studies, but it was not only that. This was a culture that was started and which I personally benefited, and looking back, I'm really impressed that Mrs. YGP had been a visionary in all this. As for me, I was given leave and time to practice. A few times I missed exams but I could focus on my practice of chess, and I could come back, and I also did reasonably well in studies. So this has been very, very good for me. Stand as of now is that I'm a grandmaster in chess, and when I became a grandmaster in 2009, I was number 19th in India, Vishwanathan Anand being the first. And as of today, there are 66 grandmasters in India, but it's still a proud moment for me as a PSBBN to tell I'm one among the top there. So all credit to all my teachers and the whole atmosphere, various other kinds of artists and different fields, rather than only focusing on a streamlined approach of, let's say, academics and so on. That's it, and I wish everyone all the very best, and thank you for inviting me to do this. Thanks.
Dear all, I'm the Pied Piper from PSBB Sirusiri, playing the pipe and leading you down the garden path to register for National Level Inter-School Mrs. YJP Memorial Quiz 2020 for classes 6 to 8. Hey ho! Register your entries by 20th August 2020. The countdown begins in 2 days. Wishing all resounding success and good health.
The first ever PSBB National Quiz, the first ever a class apart, the Dr. Mrs. YGP Memorial Quiz, completely digital, individual participation and inter-school quiz to kindle your intellect, a unique opportunity. Launched August 6, 2020, blessed by the esteemed Vice President, to the iconic educator Dr. Mrs. YGP, a tribute. It's national level quiz time, folks. Put on your thinking caps and join the knowledge tribe. Great cash prizes are awaiting. Last date 20th August. For registration it is free at the PSBB website for students of classes 6 to 8. So gear up and register and enjoy the excitement, the thrill of GK and puzzles, the joy of giving right answers. Pick your brain as the buzzer beckons at the first ever A Class Apart. The winner bags 20,000 rupees and 3 finalists 10 each.
Hey all! Surprise element awaits you. Celebrities make a guest appearance to shoot a few questions. Get caught in the enthralling presence and may your answers entice them. Don't miss the chance as we embark upon our journey in the pursuit of excellence. We offer our silent prayers in the firm belief that our beloved YGP Mom will always be there to show us the divine light and lead us towards realizing our mission. The aura of our beloved YGP Mom lives in each one of us PSBBians. I'm Yash Joshi, bidding goodbye for today. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Stay tuned to the next episode of Reminiscence on Vidya Shakti at 6 p.m. tomorrow. Thank you for watching.
Vidya Shakti